Hello, vape family. This is Viper Vapes. I am here unboxing the new vape box. This is new to me. This is also a new product. I believe it came out around March or April this year. It's pretty cool because it is a group that is very limited. You have to subscribe and request access. It took me about 4 weeks to get approved. Once you're approved, then they will send you an invite email, and that allows you into their website in order to actually sign up for the vape box. What is cool about vape box is you actually get all kinds of different prizes and different things. So I'm in for the $60 level, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Right off the bat, I see it's a cool little box. There are some, actually I take that back, established in 2013. There's a sticker for them. You get a vape box sticker. Another one. The welcome card. Let's see, welcome to Vape Box. Here's your first Vape Box. Quitting shouldn't be as hard, but should rather be fun, surprising, and filled with excitement and anticipation. Next month, you'll be placed back into the themed vape boxes with the rest of the subscribers. But for now, this welcome box serves as an example of what your next vape boxes will be like. Enjoy. 3, 4, and 5 juices varies between each plan. Since I'm on the big plan, I can look for every month. You'll be receiving a variety of juices from several different brands. These brands are hand selected by our juice creators through extensive taste testing. We will not feature them in our vape box if we won't vape it ourselves. We truly want Vape Box to be a discovery service for juices, so we love working with startup and underground juice makers who don't necessarily have the budget for marketing but have some kick-ass juice. We also get hardware, coupons, and Vape Box Store. So, pretty cool. Here's also a coupon code for nudenicotine.com. So, pretty cool. So I got all kinds of this little stuff that's going to make a mess, I'm sure. I'm going to try and neatly peel it back so I don't make a mess. Neat little pouch. It says Vape Box on it. Looks like a tip. Oh, it is. It's a Vape Box tip. Pretty cool. I like the big old wide gauge tips, so we'll see how that one works out. Kind of cool, it got their logo on it. Of course, we have the Juice Society Skyline juice. Can't hardly see it. That fruity smell. It smells good. Can't wait to vape that. What else do we have? We have banana cream pie from Nude Nicotine. Another Nude Nicotine. Boysenberry jam. That could be good. Next we have an atomizer. Screwdriver, of course. A little bit of coil and wire. Ooh, a plume veil. Got a plume veil in. I'm sure it's a clone. I don't know. 19729. I'll have to look into that. It looks like the real thing. Like I said, I'm only paying $60 a month, so she's pretty. If it is a clone, they even copied their website and everything on there. Los Angeles, California. Pretty cool. Can't wait to try that. And looks last but not least, we got some Cosmic Fog Cola Gummy. So it should be interesting. Awesome. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 juices, an atomizer, and a tip. So, alright. Well, that is my new box for Vapebox. I think that's everything. I didn't even make a mess. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. Comment below, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.